Students, now we will do chapter number 2, word problems, and it is at page number 36. The goal of this exercise is I will decide if I need to find the HCF or I need to find the LCM to solve a word problem. Okay, now I will tell you some keywords or some indicators that with the help of those keywords or indicators, you can decide that in this word problem you are gonna to be doing HCF or you will do the LCM. These keywords or the word problems are in the word problem in which you have to find the HCF. It is a HCF question, and you gonna use the word like greatest, largest, most. Look, I have written it greatest, largest, or most. These types of words you will find in a word problem. Then you will use the HCF. Or in sometimes the situation is created in which you have to do grouping into rows or sections or splitting or dividing equally. These types of situations are created, and sometimes they can ask you to arrange information into groups, rows, and sections, and dividing things equally. In those types of questions you will find the HCF. And in LCM types of questions, the keywords are smallest or least, repetitions or again, cycles, or the situation is created in which something is happening at the same time again. This type of situation is created, then you will find the LCM. In our question number 1 is, there are some pieces of wood 18 meters, 30 meters, and 12 meters long. The carpenter wants to cut them into equal size. What size should he cut them to avoid the wastage of wood? Now we will find the keyword or what's happening in this question. Let's find what's happening in this question. There are some pieces of wood, and carpenter wants to cut them into equal sizes. Look, equal sizes. We should think about equal sizes. And when there is splitting or dividing equally, you will decide that you need to find the HCF. Okay, so we have decided from this equal size that he cuts them to equal size. We need to find the HCF here in this question. In the given, we will write the pieces of wood 28 meters, 30 meters, and 12 meters. And the requirement of this question is we will find the HCF, the highest common factor. Okay, we will find the HCF now using the prime factorization. First, we will find the prime factors of 18. I need to know the least prime number which divides 18, and that is 2. 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. Now I need to find the smallest prime number which divides 9, that's 3, and it gives 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 is itself a prime number, it divides itself and gives 1. Now the next in the question, okay, 18 meters, right. I have written here 28 meters. This is my mistake. This is not 28 meters. The piece of wood is 18 meters. I am making correction. It is 18 meters. Okay, now we will find the prime factors of 30. I need to know the smallest prime number which divides 30, and that smallest prime number which divides 30 is 2. 2 divides 30 and gives us 15. Now again, I need the smallest prime number which divides 15, and that smallest prime number which divides 15 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 is itself a prime factor, so it divides itself and gives us 1. The next number is 12. We will divide I need to find a number which divides 12. I need the smallest prime number which divides 12, and that is 2, and it gives 6. Again, I need the smallest prime number which divides 6 is 2, and it gives us 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 is itself a prime number. It divides itself and gives 1. Now we will write the prime factors of, we will write prime factors of 18, and prime factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Now we will find the prime factors of 30. Prime factors of 30 are 2 into 3 into 5. Now the prime factors of 12. Prime factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. Now we will find the common factor which is common once in 18, once in 30, and once in 12. And you can see we will find the partner. We will find the partner of 2 in this prime factors of 30. There is no partner of 2 in the prime factors of 30, so we will leave it. Now we'll find the prime factor of, now we will find 1 minute. I think I have done mistake. 9 times 18, 3 times 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. No, here I have done a mistake. It's not 3. The prime factors of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Look, there is mistake. I have written 3 into 3 into 5. I will make my correction, and I will write, instead of 3, I will write here 2. Okay. Now the this 2 is once in 18, once in 30, and once in 12. So we will loop this 2. So 2 is a prime number. Now 3, this 3 is once in 18, once in 30, and once in 12. 3 is also common 3 times. Okay, 2 is, now we will write here the common factors. Common factors are 2 into 3. This 2 which was common 1 times in 18, 1 times in 30, and 1 time in 12, we will write it only 1 time in common factors. Similarly, this 3 is once in 18, once in 30, and once in 3. We loop it and we will write it only 1 time in common factors. And its HCF is 2 times 3 is 6. So the question was, what size should he cut them? What size should he cut them to avoid the wastage of wood? He should cut the wood. He should cut the wood 6 centimeters to avoid the wastage of wood.